సార్ ఓటేసేది మాకు ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండి. సార్ ఓటేసిన తర్వాత మేము వెళ్ళిపోతాం బయటికి. అన్నా 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 జర ఇది చూడన్నా, నువ్వు ఫోను ఇది పెడితే ఎట్లన్నా జర్రా జర ఇంకా చూడు. అక్కడనే ఫోటో అది అక్కడనే తీసుకున్నామన్నా. చెప్పు మీరు ఏది అన్నా అప్రోచ్ మన ఫింగర్ విప్పండి, ఈయన ఇక్కడనే విప్పియాలి సార్. एक बार मैडम जरा साइड जाओ भैया, 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 मैडम जरा.
What's your response to people who says there's no alternative to Modi?
No. See, that is what I'm saying. This country had given opportunity to Pandit Nehru. After Nehru, who? The country progressed. Then you had Lal Bahadur Shastri. Then you had Indira Gandhi. Country said who? Country progressed. So this country is bigger than all the politicians. Politicians will come and serve this country. They will leave this world, but this country will remain, and will have to. When it remains, it has to remain as a strong country. So, if anyone is saying that X individual, oh, Modi is the country. No, Modi is not the country. Indira Gandhi was not the country. Nehru was not the country. This country had given them the opportunity to serve the people of India. That in itself is a huge honor. So it is wrong to claim, oh, OIC is bigger than this or Expo. No, we are not. We are all servants of this country, servants of the people. We are serving to ensure that democracy gets strengthened more.